Hello everyone, my name is Manal Abdullal. I teach AutoCAD and SOLIDWORks courses. I'm an architect. I have a bachelor's degree in architectural, master's degree in sectional technology, doctorate degree in business administration information system, and I'm Autodesk certified professional in AutoCAD for design and drafting. My experience started in 1997 when I graduated with architect degree. I started using AutoCAD and teaching AutoCAD as well.
In this video, I'm gonna talk about my SolidWorks class. However, I also recommend watching my second video that I will talk about my AutoCAD class, level 1 and level 2. SolidWorks is a CAD 3D modeling and it is used to create 2D drawings and 3D modeling. This software is important software for mechanical, manufacturing, industrial, electrical, product development, engineering, and more. A lot of companies use AutoCAD and SolidWorks together, and our courses are short courses with 32 hours. The first class, I'm gonna introduce sketches. From the sketch, which is the first thing, we'll start applying the features tools to create our parts. So the first thing, we start with sketches, then we will go to create parts. Then we're gonna use more features tools to make the chamfer, the fillet, and everything as you see here on the screen. So this is the first simple part that we're gonna create, and then we're gonna create more parts to practice, to master the skills using the same techniques from sketches to features. We will keep creating more parts with more projects. As you see from here, this is the third part, and here's another part. So this is just some examples of what we're gonna do in class. After creating these parts, we're gonna put them together in an assembly. We put all the parts that we created. We created these pins, we created these pins here, and the other parts we put them together to create this assembly. Now after that, we're gonna put everything together, wrap it together to create drawings. We're gonna insert views. As you see here, we're gonna annotate with balloons and dimensions. We're gonna use a lot of tools for sketches, for features. We're gonna make copies, we're gonna revolve, extrude, and everything to create these parts together. Here's another example of using drawings. I'm gonna create drawings with several views, so the final results will be creating parts, assembly, and drawing. Thank you for watching. Please don't hesitate to reach out to us with any questions. Manal Abdullal.